गोंयांतल्या दोन बियर कंपनीमधले झूज दिसान दीस वाढत चल्ला। मॉन्टक्रुझाची इम्पाला डिस्टिलरी विकती घेतिल्ल्या व्हायकिंग व्हेंचर्सान आता मोतीची इम्पाला डिस्टिलरींतल्यान दोगांक मुखार काडला। मॉन्टक्रुझाचो पूत विजयान आपणाक फटयला असो आरोप करून तांणी पुलिशेन कागाळ केल्या आनी ते कोर्टांतय गेल्यात।
किंग्स आनी बेलो बियर तयार करपी आदलो आमदार मॉन्टक्रुझाक ताच्याच इम्पाला डिस्टिलरींतल्यान भायर काडला असो आरोप काँग्रेसीन केल्लो, पूण व्हायकिंग व्हेंचर्सान हो आरोप न्हयकारिल्लो। ताची फॅक्टरी आपणे विकती घेतल्या आनी बियर तयार करपा खातीर मॉन्टक्रुझाक कंत्राटदार म्हणून नेमला अशेंय तांच्या संचालकान स्पश्टीकरण दिल्लें। आता तांणी आपणाक तेंको दिवपाक मॉन्तीच्या इम्पालाचोच एक संचालक आनी एक वितरकाक मुखार काडला। तांणी शेनवारा पत्रकार परिशद घेवन मॉन्तीचो पूत विजयाचेर आरोप केले।
Court has already given all the orders in my favor, so still money is not coming in. Okay, and mine is a small money, that is 1,76 lakhs. And when I came to know, it's not because of Viking. You know, when I came to know that through the media that Viking had a similar issue, I approached them and asked them whether it is true that my list was on their given to them to be paid to me. To my shock, they gave me a list where my name never existed.
For last 38 years, I worked very hard, but I did not get anything. Finally, I was thrown out without my salary for 1.5 years, without gratuity, and the company had borrowed 7 lakhs from me for their emergency because they were less of fund. So, out of which he paid me, the company paid me 2 lakhs and 5 lakhs are balance, which the case is still going on for last 6 years.
व्हायकिंग व्हेंचर्साचो संचालक निकाश अहुजाय हे पत्रकार परिशदेक हाजर आशिल्लो, पूण तो हे विशीं कांयच उलयलो ना। कंपनीची PR निधी खांडेलवाल उलयली।
Today the story is about them. It is not about the Goan versus non-Goan. It is about the Goan versus a Goan. We have already shared our point of story, but today the discussion is about not only about the three of them. There are a lot of other people who are facing so many issues by Mr. Vijay Montecruz. The story is not about Viking today. That's why our person is not there. Our representative is not there.
Because of Viking issue, they came to know.
No, they have approached Viking to help them out.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खबराकार समीप नार्वेकार आणि व्हिडिओ पत्रकार यशवंत परब।